In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Mailchimp on Selar and use Mailchimp tags for automation. Whether you're new to digital marketing or looking to refine your email strategies, this walkthrough will ensure you can efficiently connect these platforms and automate your communications seamlessly. First, let's dive into setting up Mailchimp on Selar. Begin by logging into your Selar account. Once you're in, navigate to the integrations or settings page. This is often where you'll find the option to integrate third-party apps like Mailchimp. Look for the Mailchimp logo or name under the email marketing integrations. Click on it, and you may be prompted to log into your Mailchimp account or provide some API credentials. If it requires an API key, get it from the Mailchimp dashboard. Simply access your Mailchimp account, head to the account settings, and from there, go to the extras section to find and copy your API key. Enter this key back in Selar when prompted. This connection is crucial because it's what enables Selar to send data to Mailchimp, allowing for smooth synchronization between the two platforms. Next, we'll explore how to use Mailchimp tags for automation. Tags are an excellent way to segment your list, making your email marketing efforts more targeted and efficient. Once your Mailchimp and Selar accounts are connected, you'll want to set up some tags. Go to your Mailchimp dashboard and select the Audience tab. Here, choose the audience you're working with and navigate to the Manage Contacts section. This is where you'll find the Tags option. When creating tags, think about the type of segmentation that would benefit your campaigns. For instance, tags can be based on purchase history, customer interests, or engagement levels. After labeling your contacts, it's time to set up automation workflows utilizing these tags. In Mailchimp, go back to the Automations tab and choose the type of automated workflow you'd like to create. This could be a welcome series for new subscribers or a re-engagement campaign for inactive ones. Make sure to select the tag you've just created to trigger the automation. For example, if you created a tag named New Customer, your workflow could start whenever someone with that tag is added. This ensures that your communications are timely and contextually relevant, enhancing the likelihood of engagement. Finally, schedule and activate your automations. Once your workflow is ready, you'll generally find an option to test the sequence. It's a good idea to preview the emails and test the workflow to ensure everything works as expected. After testing, proceed to schedule when your emails will be sent out. Check all settings, confirm that your triggering tags and timing are correct, and then activate the automation. Congratulations, your mail